Hi team, it's Tara here. So throughout the next week I'll be rolling out some new videos and I'm excited to share with you. So right now I'm just going to bring you a short core, it's just a little over 5 minutes. Now if you have a yoga block handy, use that. If not, you can use a little ball or anything that you have around, just something that you can hold in your hands and pass from hand to hand. I've even seen people use DVD cases, so it could be really anything. But if you don't have anything, that's all right too, you just need your mats. All right, so make your way on down to the floor and we're gonna work our core. All right, let's come on down. So lay it flat. I want you to have that natural space underneath your low back. So we don't want to push our low back down. That will lift our hip flexors. Hands down, shoulders soft. Now I want your legs to come to 90 angles, shin parallel. And we're going to start with our toe taps. Right down, then left. Now upper body relax. Your shoulders are really going to try to do the work here. Tap, tap. Now this movement comes from the lower belly. Concentrate on dropping your thigh. Down, down, shoulders soft. Tap, tap. Now if you can do more, we're gonna see crunch. Fingers to temples, hold the crunch. Down, up. Shoulders soft, tap, down, tap, down. Pull the shoulders off the floor, squeeze the ribs to hips. And hold, back to taps. Upper body relax, start to work that lower belly, feel it puff out. Tap, tap. Can you see scoop? Can you come up? Fingers, temples, down, down. So now you're working the upper and lower rectus abdominis all at one time. Now that's enough, we stay here. We work on lifting our shoulder blades, squeezing down the abs, tap, tap. Now my elbows are wide and the wings are plain. If you feel pressure in the neck, try to lift the shoulders higher, creating that squeeze in the belly. But if you need, take a break, rest the head. We're getting ready for a combo. We're gonna tap and then give a crunch. Shoulders soft, we're really gonna hammer that fourth press point. So one tap, tap, hold, crunch. Tap, hold, squeeze. Tap, hold, squeeze. Oh, shoulders soft. Tap, hold, rib to hip. Feel it slide down. Feel the diaphragm slide down. Tap, center, oh. One more as you get a break. Hold, collapse down, take a breath. Woo. All right, so now, if you have a block or something handy, take it. Right leg up, left leg down to start. Crunch up and pass the object behind the thigh. So I maintain my C-scoop. Every time you drop the head, you gotta pick it back up. Shoulders soft, do not use the arms, light arms. Now if you can, lengthen the leg. Squeeze, breathe. Big work here in the abdominals. Option, bend the leg if you need less work. You can have foot down, there's so many options. All right, change legs, change legs. Inside, outside. So leg can be straight up, leg can be bent, or lengthen that bottom leg, full elbow split. Shoulders soft, squeeze as you lift. In breath, and out breath. Woo. We're almost there, 3 more passes. All right, block down, toe tap, shoulders soft, tap, shoulders soft. Breathe, tap, tap. Can you see scoop? Shoulders soft. Hands up. Oh, that's tough stuff. Woo, take a little break. Roll through the shoulders. You're not done, you're not yet. Roll it around, take a break. Back to round 1. Toe tap, feet hip width apart. So it's a light kiss at the toe. Now you feel the shoulders, they tense, right? So we gotta relax. Down, down, abs braced. C-scoop. Option to always just stay grounded. Relax the back of your throat, relax the back of the skull. Now we're ready for that combo. Crunch, tap, center, crunch. Tap, center, squeeze. Shoulders soft, breathe. Down, up, squeeze it through. Now, if you're on Spotify, this one plays twice, this song. Down, up, squeeze. So I work my lower belly and my upper belly. It's huge bang to the butt. Full rectus abdominis hit. Down, center, squeeze. If you need a break, take it. In. Your body's still getting stronger as long as you work as hard as you can. Down, up, squeeze. And hold. Hop. One more round. One more round. Right leg up, crunch up, let's pass. In. In. Other side. And done. Awesome job. All right, team. Thank you so much. That was just a quick ab blast. Hope you can do more. Stay tuned.